What's up, internet? I'm going to go to Home Depot, rent a box truck because I don't have access to truck and trailer this weekend. Then I'm going to go to a small job at a business, transport the wood to somewhere I can dump it. Then I'm going to return the box truck. If they ask any questions, I'm hauling wood furniture. First, we're going to get some coffee. Good to go. We got the Starbies. Work can resume. And a couple ham and cheese croissants off to the Home Depot. We'll turn here. I need a truck. On the way to the job now in the 350 HD Transit. Getting there. It's only $150 for a whole day. It's just a tree. This is gonna be what we're taking care of today. Goodness. So load number one is down. I'm gonna take it and unload it at a dump site. Crazy people drive on the highway. They need to woosah. Welcome back to the Box Truck Chronicles. I'm gonna go steal a trailer, and hopefully tomorrow is the last day I have this thing. When the small tree turns out to be a big tree, you gotta do what you gotta do. So, taking my second load to dump now on the highway. We'll see. The old Carolina two-step. That's how you clean out a trailer right there. Drag it all out. Just a running bow line around all of it. Tied it to a tree, yanked it out. Rise and grind. Good morning. It's 7-Eleven. Gonna start the truck. Well, good old Starbucks. We can work now. Nothing wrong with a caramel macchiato and some ham and Swiss croissants. Cleaned up here. I'll show you the end of the job. A lot different from when it was still there. Catch you guys at the dump site.